Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Hawth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next award is for Group Achievement, and the winner is the 19th Crawley RAF Cadets. 19 Squadron endured a number of challenges in 2019. This included having their headquarters hut in Ifield vandalised and their simulator broken. The hut needed complete renovation and refurbishment. Despite this, the 50-strong cadets have gone from strength to strength, gaining a new commanding officer on the way. The cadets' impressive pipes and drum band played at the Edinburgh Military Tattoo and in front of Her Majesty the Queen at Balmoral Castle. Despite having no headquarters, the cadets continued to rehearse and were rewarded by winning the Air Cadets National Music Competition for percussion. They continue to focus on serving their local community and played a significant part in raising funds for the Royal British Legion at both Crawley and Gatwick for Poppy Day in 2019. 19th Crawley RAF Cadets, congratulations.